Get ready to spice up your taste buds with this savory and nutritious Keto Jalapeno Chicken Salad. Packed with fiery flavors and wholesome ingredients, this mouth-watering recipe is perfect for any occasion. And the best part, each serving has less than a single carb. Poach the boneless chicken breasts for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they're cooked, dice them up and set them aside. Now it's time to prepare the bacon. Cook it thoroughly until crispy and crunchy. Infuse them with a smoky taste by cooking the jalapenos on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes until they're charred. Then, slice them up into thin pieces. Time to whip up the chicken salad sauce. Whip it nicely. Thoroughly mix the diced chicken breasts, chopped crispy bacon, and chicken salad sauce for a mouth-watering and highly seasoned blend. Now it's time to enjoy your creation. You can serve this in a bowl as a cold salad, wrapped with romaine lettuces, or with our famous keto buns that you can check out here.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.